Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to make negative numbers red in Google Sheets. So this is actually pretty simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. First, select the range where you want to make your numbers, your negative numbers red. Now select Format and here select Conditional Formatting. Now it will open up this window next to it. So you have to set up your format rules. Select this and select less than. So find where you have less than. And then simply select or enter a value. So it will be 0. So change the color to red right now. And you can see that now everything less than 0 is red. You can also include 0 into selection if you want. And right now, everything less than 0 is red. If you want to include 0, then just choose less than or equal to. And now everything less than and equal to 0 will be included as well. You have to correct the range from C2. It is really simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.